If your natural hair still feels dry after moisturizing, then you're probably doing it wrong, and it's not your fault. Most people never really learned the correct way to hydrate fussy hair. Now let me break it down. All I'm going to be making use of is water to hydrate my strands, leave-in conditioner to moisturize, and my oil to seal in all of the moisture. Reason to hold on. Hey love, it's Josie. Welcome back to Josie's World, where I teach naturals like you how to grow soft, healthy, juicy hair by doing less but doing it right. Today we'll be fixing the number one issue I see all the time, which is dry hair that never stays moisturized. Let's start here. Moisturizing isn't just about applying a product, it's a process, and when you skip steps or do them in the wrong order, your hair stays dry no matter how much product you use. Now here's the right way to moisturize natural hair. You can't moisturize product buildup. If you haven't washed your hair in weeks or it's layered with gels and butters, your strands can't absorb anything. Use a gentle sulfate-free shampoo or a cleansing co-wash to start with a clean slate. If it's not washed, at least dampen your hair with water or a hydrating mist. Water is the foundation. Use the LOC or LCO method the right way. Now these two methods are game changer, but only when you choose the right one for your hair type. L equals liquid, water or leave-in. O equals oil, and C equals cream or butter. Now if you have low porosity, try LCO, cream before oil, so your hair absorbs moisture better. And for high porosity, stick with LOC. Oil helps seal in that moisture fast. Apply section by section, do not rush. Now use the right product for your porosity. This is huge. If you have low porosity hair, you should avoid heavy products. Go for light leave-ins and oils like grapeseed or argan oil. For high porosity hair, you should go for thick creams and sealing butters like shea or castor oil. Using the wrong type will either sit on your hair or evaporate too fast. Again, you should seal it in properly. This is a step that most naturals skip. Moisture always evaporates unless you lock it in. That's where the oils come. You should use a lightweight sealant oil. For example, I use my neem hair growth oil, which I make myself. It's blended specifically to trap in hydration without clogging your scalp or weighing your strands down. And again, it's important that you protect your hair while you sleep. If you're using cotton pillowcases, they are moisture thieves. Satin or silk bonnets, scarves, or pillowcases will help your hair stay hydrated overnight. My growth oil is built for this exact method. Light enough for low porosity hair, effective enough to seal in moisture for high porosity hair naturals, and it won't leave buildup or flakes. You can DIY or try mine pre-blended and ready to go. Moisture isn't about how much you apply, it's about how you apply it. Water, the right method, porosity specific products, and sealing. That's how you stop the dryness cycle for good.
I'll show you how you're falling for me. I'll treat you like I never did. For some reason to hold on, it's so hard to know. So why you say too fast, baby, I'm going too fast. Too fast, baby, I'm going too fast. Too fast, baby, I'm going too fast. Too fast, baby, I'm going too fast, yeah. Maybe slow down or rewind and breathe on it. When we made eyes for the first time, I'll do anything. It's ticking, but I still can love you right. Though we can do whatever tonight. Oh, take my baby, you can take my time. To dance, show me how you do it right. Yeah, but it still sounds like too fast, baby, I'm going too fast. Too fast, baby, I'm going too fast. Too fast, baby, I'm going too fast. Too fast, baby, I'm going too fast, yeah.
If you've watched this video to this point and you feel like it has been helpful in any way, do not fail to hit that subscribe button so you do not miss another video moving forward. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Mwah.